Yeah. The country of Madagascar. It's it's location in it's located in off the coast, 40 meters of the coast of Africa, and it's the fourth largest island in the world. And the leader is Harry. It's called. Okay, and the religion is they have 55% of the traditional beliefs, and 40% are Catholic, and 5%, the remaining 5 are Muslims. Yeah, they have Muslim there. And the natural resources. It has rare earth elements and semi-precious stones, and it has fishing. It's a big thing, and some of them there is a possibility for the hydropower. Yeah, and in the education, because they don't have clean water in schools, most of the students can't go because they fall ill and they skip school because they are sick. Most of them get sick and can't go to school either. And as you can see, it doesn't have clean water. And sometimes there are storms. When the storm comes, it destroys the school. And when it destroys it, they don't have the funds to rebuild it, or even the materials used in schools, they get destroyed, and they don't have enough fund to buy it again. Yeah. Okay, and the natural disasters. It has cyclones, droughts, and storms. It destroys everything in their path. Homes, schools, and it's very bad for them. Okay. This one? Yeah. Okay, and because of the water problems, the government, it doesn't, Madagascar has enough water to fill the whole country to satisfy everyone. But the government doesn't use them productively. And that's why they don't have enough clean water. And in rural regions, they don't have enough money to get the water from the fresh water to them. But they have more water, but the government doesn't help them for the water. Yeah, and
they don't have the systems.
Yeah, they don't have systems. That's why. And because of the geographical isolation, they don't have access to transportation for the water, and they can't get it food shortage, because most of the poor people, when they get a bad harvest, they can't eat, and they don't have the money to buy food, and so they stay. And because of the prices, the price for food are high, and they can't afford them. And when they harvest food, they keep them for themselves and sell some of it, but they don't make enough, only for the hunger. Because of the low income for the hospitals, and the residents, they don't have money to buy food for their kids, and they get stunned, reduced, and they can't grow. And the shortage of staff, they have a shortage of staff in the hospital. And the supplies, people have to pay for supplies, but the hospital is free, but the supplies are expensive. And they don't have a specialist in the hospital. Most hospitals don't have a specialist, not general doctors. Yeah. And because of the government sometimes doesn't pay them their salary, the doctors, and they migrate from a city to another, and that city doesn't have it closes the hospital. And because of the environmental degradation, some people create agricultural fires. The people create them.
Why?
Because they want to get rid of their stuff, or want to get more space, and they create the artificial fire. Okay, and in the politics, there was a coup in 2009 and many people were killed, and there was political deadlock, and the country was isolated, and they had rebellion, and because of that, they had in the court the particular deadlock. Child didn't go to school because they wanted to stay alive, so it was all child labor, and they had to work to stay alive, the children. Okay, and the geographical isolation. If they want something from out of the country, or anything they want, they can't just walk or by car. They have to at least be a boat or an airplane, and it takes so much time, and that's why it's isolated. So
It's an island.
yeah. And the financial, because of the political deadlock that happened in 2009, it decreased so much from 2009 till now. Yeah. Okay. And there is a solution now. And the solution will be if they open factories in Madagascar, because they have the resources, but the people don't have jobs. So if they open factories in Madagascar, chocolate factories or rice factories or anything,
Suppose.
yeah, it will be labor for the poor people. So they work and get the money they want. I think that's the difference.
Those should be APA.
Yeah.